Good Sunday, everyone. Khambrel, Marshall, KPRC2 meteorologist. We've been watching and tracking a number of things, including the temperatures today. Once again, we're going to be 100, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm forecasting 105. Some of the computer models want to take us up to 106. So very, very hot temperatures. We're looking at the Gulf tomorrow. If something develops in a tropical fashion, it would happen tomorrow ahead of making landfall on Tuesday. And right now, all the models have most of the rain hitting south of us into Corpus Christi area. And then, by the way, we get rain on Tuesday, and then it goes right back up to the 100 degrees. Look at the records, they might be in trouble today. Record's 107 at Bush, 105 is a forecast. 101 is a record at Hobby, 104 is a forecast. That's sure to be shattered. 97 is a record at Galveston, 94 is a forecast. 107 is a record in College Station, which looks like that's going to be tied. It could be more because College Station has been trending hotter than the forecast models. Look at this area. See the area that's excessive heat? The orange, of course, is the advisory. The purplish color is excessive heat, and Galveston is now in the excessive heat warning, which has not been the case in the past. They're going to get up to 95 degrees today. Looking in the Gulf, we're looking at this area. Put this in motion for you. Notice the rotation, broad area of a really big, broad area of rotation as it goes into Monday afternoon. National Hurricane Center says a 50% chance this will develop into something. Right now, it is likely, whatever it is going to go south of the Houston area. Look where it goes. The timing, very early Tuesday morning into Corpus Christi. Heavy rains between Corpus Christi and Brownsville and Palacios, but not very much for us up in the Houston area. So we're not going to get very much rain going forward here. Unfortunately, there's some bands of it that's going to be coming in, like tropical storms produce bands, but that's about it. We're not going to get very much. Look at the difference in the models. European model is more aggressive, gives Houston area a better chance of getting some showers, some rain. The American model just says, yeah, we're going to pretty much miss out. Now, the southwestern parts on the coast, we're talking in Brazoria, Matagorda counties, those areas have a better chance of getting some rain in either case going forward here. This is what's going on in the tropics right now. We've got a 40% chance out off the coast of Africa, 70% chance just further in. Tropical Depression 6 formed yesterday. We have another area that's a 70% chance that looks like it's going to swing north through Puerto Rico at some point. And then the area that we were talking about here, which is that 50% chance over in the Gulf. We're also looking at Hurricane Hillary, which as of a 10 a.m. advisory is now down to a tropical storm now. Tropical Storm Hillary. We knew this was going to be coming, and now it's dropped down to tropical storm strength, moving north-northwest at 25 miles per hour. So that's moving very quickly, and because it's moving very quickly, the rain damage is not going to be as much as it could have been. By the time it gets into Palm Spring area at about 7 o'clock tonight, it's still going to have 50-mile-an-hour winds, and just to the north of that, going due east of Los Angeles, but still dropping a lot of rain in the hills outside of Los Angeles. So that rain's got to come someplace. So the streets in LA are going to be problematic tomorrow, throughout the day and tomorrow. Airlines are canceling flights and things like that going forward. And then we look what happens going up. It's going to be out of here, but it's going to cause some rain problems all the way up into Oregon and Idaho. For us today, though, we're talking 105 by 4 o'clock. And over the next 10 days, you notice the trend going forward here. We get a little break from the temperatures on Tuesday when we expect to get our highest rain chance. And then we go right back up into the hundreds again. And once upon a time, like yesterday, I had thought about putting some 20% in for some of those days on the backside of Tuesday, but just don't see it right now. So my advice is to make sure that we follow the normal routine that we have when it's really hot. Light colored clothing, lightweight clothing. Make sure you drink plenty of water and know that we're going to have really, really hot temperatures over the next several days. And keep your eye on the Gulf. We'll give you much information as soon as we get it. Stay safe.